Here's the thing about food cost software. Most of it wasn't built for you. It was built for chains and corporations with IT departments and monthly budgets bigger than your mortgage. But what about you, the independent chef, kitchen manager, food operator? You need to run a tight operation too. Here's a solution: the FoodCostChef Calculator, an Excel-based food costing program that streamlines and automates your entire ingredients and recipe database. This isn't another spreadsheet template. This is real software designed to cut the time and stress of managing your food costs with built-in automation. If you're using spreadsheets or pen and paper, yikes, this was built for you. It's a full-featured tool that's easy on the budget, with no monthly payments. And it's designed specifically for independent chefs, kitchen managers, food operators, and owners. The FoodCostChef Calculator wasn't built by programmers guessing what kitchens need. It was created by this guy, Chef Marty, a Red Seal pro who, unfortunately, found himself with some extra time at home. While recuperating, he learned to program and transformed an Excel food costing system he'd used for years into something any chef can use. The FoodCostChef Calculator works the way real kitchens work. Your ingredients feed into base recipes. Base recipes feed into core recipes. Core recipes build into plated costs. Everything flows to the bottom line. And you can customize the software to the way you run your kitchen. Create your own ingredient categories with flexible pricing alerts. Set up recipe categories that match your menus. Yes, chef, it's your software. Now let's talk about those nasty cost hikes. Did the ground beef just go up 25%? Change the price once in your ingredients list and instantly see how it filters down through your base recipes, your core recipes, and your final plate cost. Ouch. That's chef life right there. Use the integrated recipe system to save time. Got a house spice blend? A signature aioli? Build them as base recipes, then drop them into any core recipe. Now take that core recipe, say this blackened tilapia, and use the plates feature to swap out sides, add condiments, factor in garnishes, even packaging. You know how many managers just estimate this stuff? Or worse, don't bother at all? The FoodCostChef Calculator handles yields at 2 levels: purchasing and recipe processing. Set your purchase yield here in the ingredients table. Then show your cooking yields here. No end-of-month surprises about high food costs. You'll know what's happening before anyone else in the company. You know precisely the real cost of that strip loin, case of potatoes, or flat of eggs. Your expenses are covered when you know the numbers. And if your team wants to measure in cups instead of grams or pounds, no problem. The FoodCostChef Calculator supports worldwide unit conversions. Enter an ingredient once. You'll never have to convert it again. Now, the real work happens here, on the recipe card. Your ingredients automatically populate in this dropdown. Select and add your quantity. Here is your recipe cost for that ingredient. This is now included in your total batch cost. Enter your servings. Enter your menu price. Here's your margin. Here's your food cost percentage. Want to try a takeout price? Use the custom price scenario. See what that looks like. Want to swap out one ingredient? Do it. Check your numbers instantly. How about creating a similar but slightly different menu item? Duplicate the recipe, rename it, and make this one vegetarian. Done. Now take your core recipe and put it on a virtual plate. Add a side. Add a drizzle. Drop in a garnish. Now there's your plate cost. Not just recipes, but everything on the plate. Do you do catering gigs? Just adjust this to 18 servings. Now you know your exact price for each banquet event order. No guessing involved. Chef, with the FoodCostChef Calculator, you're going to be so dialed in at the weekly management meetings. If you want to learn more, check out the video tutorials at FoodCostChef.com. The FoodCostChef Calculator. Get your copy now. And chef, remember, it's only good food if the math works.